Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see how much time you spend on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up settings. Then scroll down until you find battery, and it will show you detailed statistic about your time spent on your device. You can switch it between 24 hours and last 10 days in that simple way, and then you can scroll down to see your exact battery usage by app. As you can see, WireGuard consumes the most phone battery. You can also switch it from percentage view to time view in that way. Also, you can check your average screen on. That means that on average I spend 3 hours and 38 minutes in the last 10 days using my iPhone. And also you can select each specific day in that way and see detailed statistic for that particular day for battery usage of the apps and your screen time in that day. After that, you can hit at that particular day again to switch it to 10-day view. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.